Hello my dear friends. Let us discuss about the some periodic properties of group number 18. And these periodic properties are atomic ready, ionization enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy. So first let us discuss about the atomic ready. Here atomic ready is not covalent ready because halogen combined with halogen, oxygen combined with oxygen, nitrogen combined with nitrogen, but inert gases never combined with inert gases. So all these inert gases are monoatomic gases. Monoatomic gases. While other gases are diatomic gases like oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Hydrogen. Okay. So their atomic radii are exceptionally high. Generally, what happens as we move in a periodic table left to right, then as we move left to right in periodic table, atomic radius decreases. This atomic radius actually covalent radius. Okay. But from group number 17 to group number 18, the atomic radius exceptionally increases. And the atomic ready noble gases are exceptionally high. Because it is not atomic ready, it is a van der Waal ready, which is always greater than the covalent ready. In monoatomic gases, see, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, these radius are van der Waal radius there, and van der Waal radius are always greater than the covalent radius. And if we speak it covalent radius or atomic radius correspond to van der Waal radii. Okay, this atomic radii of group number 18 is nothing but the van der Waal radii, and which is always greater than the covalent radii. So from group number 17 to group number 18, the atomic radii increases in place of decreases. Let us discuss the second one, ionization enthalpy. General trend in periodic table, as we move left to right in periodic table, ionization enthalpy increases. But here the ionization enthalpy of noble gas exceptionally high. Trend is not irregular, but the ionization enthalpy of group number 18 is more than more than expected. Okay. So this ionization enthalpy obtained more than expected. Why? Because the general electronic configuration of inert gas is NS2 NP6 due to the completely filled outermost orbital NS2 NP6. So to remove the electron is very difficult. So the reason is fully filled valence shell. And another trend, as atomic number increases down the group, as atomic number increases, ionization enthalpy, what trend be regular? Decreases down the group. Similar way for atomic radii also, down the group, as atomic number increases, radius increases down the group. Okay. Now, electron gain enthalpy. See group number 16, 15, 16 and 17. The electron gain enthalpy is negative. But here for group number 18, the value of electron gain enthalpy is large positive. Why? Because then they don't have spaces. General electronic configuration is ns2 np6, and helium is 1s2, is also completely filled. This is also completely filled. So we cannot add one electron from outside to form negative ion. So not even single element of group number 18 has tendency to accept electron. So in group number 18, they have a large positive value of electron gain enthalpy. Why large positive? Because they're fully filled valence shells, and they have no tendency to accept electron and then never form anions. Okay, and here you don't have to describe the general trend because they do not have group trend, because they do not have tendency to accept electron to form negative ions. Here you can explain the group trend in atomic radii. As atomic number increases down the group, radius increases. Here ionization enthalpy, as atomic number increases, ionization enthalpy down the group decreases. और जो मेन आपको ध्यान में रखना है वो एक ग्रुप नंबर 18 में जो है वो कोवेलेंट रेडियस, जिसको हम बोलते हैं एटॉमिक रेडी, वो नहीं होती है क्योंकि सब मोनो एटॉमिक गैस है, तो ये वांडरवाल रेडी हम कंसीडर करते हैं, तो ज़्यादा ही होती है। ठीक है, तो पीरियड में लेफ्ट टू राइट जाएंगे किसी भी पीरियड में, तो लास्ट एलिमेंट जो है उसकी साइज ज़्यादा बढ़ेगी, कम नहीं होगी। 17 तक कम होगी, 18 में ग्रेटर होगी। ठीक है, यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखना है पीरियोडिक ग्रुप ट्रेंड भी है। डाउन द ग्रुप एटॉमिक रेडी इंक्रीजेस एज एटॉमिक नंबर इंक्रीजेस। आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी जो है हाईएस्ट, आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी इज द हाईएस्ट ऑफ ग्रुप नंबर 18। दोनों में एक ही रीजन देना है, फुली फिल्ड वैलेंस सेल, यहाँ भी फुली फिल्ड वैलेंस सेल। ओके, देन राइट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन in your book. Okay, thank you friends, thank you very much. In next question we will discuss the physical properties and chemical properties of elements of group number 8.